Hello everyone, this is Jennifer and I am back with cards using the Spellbinders March 2022 card kit. Have a springy day. I finished these cards slowly, not in one go. I think early March because I finished them before we went on vacation, second week of March. I just not have had the time to film. So anyway, let's get on with it. There are a ton of unboxing videos for, Spellbinders card kits. But I'm showing you, it's like the flyer card. And it comes with dies and stamps and papers and ephemera, which I love. Anyway, sorry for the glare. Here's the first card I'm showing you. So it's a basic card. I used the ephemera. I used my gold stickles, which is this one. Oops. Goldenrod, I think is the name of that. And then that's a die cut. And I used this. It's from AliExpress. It doesn't cut very well, like you get when you buy from Ali, but it works because I covered some of the parts where it didn't cut as well. What else can I tell you about this? This is just paper from the paper pack from the collection and just a bunch of ephemeras that I put together. All right, let's look at the next one. Again, these are just ephemera. And then I think this is a chipboard. That's a stamp from the stamp set. This I hand cut. And that's the green is just paper from the paper pack. All right, and then here's another one. Sorry for the glare. As you can see, I'm really not a professional at doing this. I don't even edit my videos. I'm just trying to show you the cards that I made that make me happy. By the way, I will be using the hashtag by Jill Norwood. I think everybody knows who Jill is. The satmornmakes hashtag that she does for our crafty community. So I'm participating in that too. And of course, my friend Crafty Mama Diaries hashtag too, which is cmdshopstash. Anyway, back to the card. That's just ephemera. Of course, I stickled it. You know, guys, I can't live without stickles. And then this one is just an ephemera also. And the dies that I used are, let me find it. These two. This is a Spellbinders die, and that's S5156. And this is, I believe this is from Gina K. No, not Gina K. The other G. Gina Marie Designs online. The other G. Anyway, that's it for that. And then this is just, and this is from Die Cuts with a View. The yellow paper is just from Die Cuts with a View. You know, those matte stacks. I think they're still available at Joann's. This is just from the paper pack, from the card kit. And then this one is a Tailored Expressions Sentiment. Another ephemera, I think. Oh, this is a chipboard sticker. These are all ephemera right here. And this is a die that I always use in my videos. And it's this die from Ali. All right. And then this is another, I love that paper from the pack. That's a doily die, and that's from AliExpress. I forgot to take it out. This filigree is from a Spellbinders die, and it's this one. S5129, and that's that one right there. Okay, and then again, ephemera, and then I don't know if you can see that. I used the glittery stickles and then the gold stickles. And this is a banner die from Anna White. This one. All right. A label die, not a banner die. Okay, is that it for this card? Yes, I think so. And then this one is following that same theme where I use a like a doily as the landing piece for all the ephemera that I'm intending to use. So that's this die, and this is from Ali. That's that die. I'm trying to get rid of the glare, or focus it so that the glare is not on the page. So, and this is a stamp that I don't know. I forgot to take that out. I made these a while back. You know, I stamp sentiments just so when I need them, it's ready. And I used this punch, and it's called Double Oval Punch from Stampin' Up. That's it right there. And then, you know, just some sequins. I think that's it. And of course, everything is ephemera. I love card making using ephemera. And then this is a simple card. These are just from the ephemera pack again. This is from the paper. Of course, I stickled it. This is gold mirror cardstock. This is ephemera that I just hand cut imperfectly. I think that's cute. That's it for that card. And then this one is a very simple one, but I think of all the 25 cards that I made of using this kit, this is my favorite. I love the paper. Anything with petite prints on it, especially if it's floral, I think they call that calico prints in quilting. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Someone can tell me in the comments below. But yeah, this is just ephemera. I put a foam underneath. Old Sentiment, which I don't... Oh, that's a Hero Arts. And then this is... that's a Spellbinders die, and it's called Fancy Etched Ovals. You know, I was looking... Cause I've had this for a while. I think I bought this at, yeah, I bought this at Hobby Lobby, you know, just to have it. It was on sale, I'm sure, because I don't buy anything regular price. And then when I cut it out one day, I was like, wow, that's really cute. Anything with scallops and then dots or stitches in the inside, just like this, I'm a sucker for that. So I went online if they, you know, looking for the rectangles version, and I even messaged Spellbinders, but they said that they've stopped production. There was a technical term for that, but yeah, they've stopped production for that, and I'm really sad. And then this is the next one. These are just all ephemera that I put together. Paper from the card kit, and then that's a die that is Lawn Fawn, but you know what? I couldn't find it. It probably slipped somewhere in my dies, and I just could not find it right now. This is a very simple layout. Again, ephemera. This is a stamp from the card kit, the stamp set from the card kit, and then this is just a die that has stitching. I believe it's this one. This one from Waffle Flower. Sorry. What's the name of this? I already know that. Oh, it's A2 Lacy Layers die is what it's called. It's right there. A2 Lacy Layers die. All right. And then I just used a yellow ink. I think that is Tim Holtz yellow ink. I forgot what it's called. Or no, it's the Claire, the yellow ink of the Claire inks. I love those. They're pigment inks, and they're so crisp and beautiful. And I used a stamp, a flower stamp from the stamp set that comes with the card kit. And then this one is, the purple is just from my stash. You know, that purple paper, it's just from my stash, the ones that you buy at Michael's. And I used the biggest die in this collection here from the A2 Layers die. And then ephemera, and then of course my gems, you know, the different colored gems that I got at Ali, and I put them in by size. I categorized them by size and put them in these Dollar Tree little bins. And then this is an old Martha Stewart sticker. It's dimensional. All right, and then For You is from the ephemera. Oh, and the die, this die is this one from Spellbinders. It's called Labels 17. Right? Okay, and then this one is another simple layout. For this, I used the, can you see that? It has the ridges. I didn't take that out. Let me look it up. It's also Spellbinders, but couldn't find it, guys. I only have the circle version of it. But I used the rectangle. Yep. And then ephemera, stickles, of course. This is an old stamped. I have a box just with old, not old, just, I have a box that has sentiments in it, and I just pick which one I use. And then this is just a die from Spellbinders. And then this is paper from my stash, paper from the card kit, you know, sequins that they give you. This is a chipboard sticker from the collection. Also this one, see, it's dimensional. So that's a very simple layout. This one is again using the A2 layers die from Waffle Flower. This die is from Ali, and it's this one. I used that one right there just to create a stem for the flowers. And then of course I used my goldenrod stickles. This is again using this die from Ali, and just ephemera, and then chipboard sticker. And then this is a die that I've shown in my videos before, and it's this one from Ali. And that's basically it, just very simple. Of course, when you're composing things, you take time. You know, I'm not like Crafty Mama Diaries. When she makes cards, and I love watching her videos, and also Alma Sintang Mayumi, they make it look so quick and easy. When I make cards, there are times when I really have a mojo. It just, you know, I look at the paper, look at what ephemera I have, and then there you go, bam, I have a card. But there are days I just stare and stare and stare as to how I will put them together. That's when I take a break. Anyway, here's the next card. Very simple, no frills, just layering and matting. And then ephemera, paper from the card kit, And then these are just butterflies that I've shown before also. They are from a cover plate die. You run the cover plate die, it's as big as an A2. And then the butterflies that gets cut, I save that, because it's supposed to be a background die. And then I saved it in one of those little Dollar Tree bins. And then when I want to add butterfly somewhere or fill a space, I use that. Okay, this is the next one. Again, the yellow and the purple are from my stash. The yellow there too. Paper from the card kit. I love flowery papers, flowery embellishments. So this kit was like made for me. And then this is a chipboard sticker, ephemera, and then just an oval from Hero Arts Infinity Dies. And that's it. Oh, this die is a Spellbinders die. And that's this one. And this is called the S5176. I don't know what A2 Floral Ribbon Threader. I guess you're supposed to thread the ribbon, but I don't have time for that. Barely have time to do these cards. Anyway, here's more. Again, just all ephemera. And then the stamp is from the stamp set. This one, very basic, but I think it's gorgeous. Of course, I used that stem die again and put ephemera around it. And then this, I used for this embossing, I used my favorite Swiss dots from Cuttlebug. And then just the ovals die that I ran through, and then the fancy etched again. This one, fancy etched ovals for the pink. Okay, that's it. Stickles, of course. And then this is a basket die from Ali. So this is how I package my Ali when I used to have more time. I would, you know, screenshot a picture and then print a picture from the website so that I remember, because it comes like 4,000 years later, right? So then you receive them and like, what is this? So then I just go back to my snapped images, and then I cut it and file it this way. And then just a bunch of ephemera, paper pack, cardstock. The brown is from my cardstock collection, or stash. And then this is a wreath die from AliExpress, and it's this one. And I just used ephemera again. I think it's nice and soft, and I used the Swiss dots again for the embossing. Ephemera, ephemera, ephemera. I should have a hashtag. Ephemera card making. Anyway, stamp from the stamp set, paper from the card kit, ephemera, 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 ephemera. This is from MFT. The edge dies are from MFT, right there. That's it for that card. And then window die, and it opens, and I just hang the flower basket, and then I used a very dainty paper from the collection. And this is a window die from Ali. It's right there. Okay, almost done, guys. This is a new die that I bought recently. I think I got it in February from Lawn Fawn. I love, like I told you, I love scallop dies that have a little bit of detailing, additional detailing in the inside. Just look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. That's a die from Ali. It's this die. And of course, just a bunch of gems, an old stamped sentiment. This is just ephemera, and I popped this up just for interest. Last one, guys. Again, this die for this. And then this is, I've used this before also. It's a die from my collection, and I believe that's from Ali or Gina Marie. The other G, I can't remember. I don't know why I didn't label that. But anyway, such a simple card, but I think it's elegant. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. I hope you're having a great day. Spring is in full swing where I live, and I love it. I love that it's not so hot. Summers can be so hot over here where we are. And winters can be really cold, although it doesn't snow here. But to me, who grew up in a tropical country, our winters here are cold for me. So anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next time. Bye.